Welcome to our channel. Get ready to discover a whole new world of cool tools that you never knew existed. In this video, we'll unveil some hidden gems and share with you amazing tools that can make your life easier and more efficient. The Ensto ST308 is a must-have for anyone dealing with medium voltage electrical cables, especially in industrial and municipal setups. It's perfect for stripping insulation and works smoothly with cable diameters from 18 to 60 millimeters. With this tool, you have precise control over the cutting depth, adjustable from 0.4 to 1.8 millimeters in 0.1 millimeter increments. For even easier handling, it's advised to use a stopper. Compact and weighing just 850 grams, it's easy to maneuver, and the ball bearings ensure smooth rotation every time. ISOT 001, also known as the Cool Tool, a simple yet indispensable device. It's a high-tensioning tool designed specifically for stainless steel bands, commonly used in securing cables and equipment on electrical poles, communication towers, and railway structures. Ensuring the proper tension of these bands is crucial to prevent any accidents or items from falling off. The ISOT 001, with its remarkable torque of a ton, is the perfect solution for the job. This version of the tool is compatible with bands up to 20 millimeters wide and 1 millimeter thick. Plus, its built-in blade effortlessly cuts through the straps. You can get your hands on this essential tool for just $130. Meet the Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2 Planer, a powerhouse from a company with a rich history. Milwaukee rose to become North America's largest supplier of cordless power tools back in 2016. Let's dive into what this tool brings to the table. With an impressive 21 depth adjustment options, ranging up to 2 millimeters, and the flexibility to eject chips to the left or right, it offers versatility for various tasks. Powered by a brushless motor running at 14,500 RPM, it delivers high performance while weighing just 1.4 kilograms, ensuring comfort during extended use. Plus, it saves you the hassle of post-work cleanup. The kit includes a universal adapter for vacuum cleaners, adding to its convenience. And here's the cherry on top, it comes with a 5-year warranty, all for just $200. Pivot, your ladder's ultimate sidekick. This versatile accessory steps up as a reliable support, a handy podium, and a sturdy workspace, all in one. Position it beneath your ladder for added stability and peace of mind, whether you're on steps, rooftops, or uneven ground. You can also attach it directly to the ladder, transforming it into a convenient shelf for your tools, a secure jack, or a standoff. Equipped with rubber fasteners to prevent slipping and topped with an anti-slip surface made of durable polypropylene, Pivot ensures safety and stability with every step. And with a hopping maximum support weight of 500 pounds, 220 kilograms, it goes above and beyond the standard ladder rating. Quadsoft, the ultimate tool for precision and efficiency. As its name suggests, the Quadsoft features 4 blades arranged in a square pattern, making it ideal for creating square openings with ease. Designed to be user-friendly, it functions as a versatile box cutter, perfect for tasks like installing power outlets and light switches. With its flexible design and dust removal accessory, it ensures a clean and tidy workspace by minimizing the creation of harmful dust particles while cutting square socket holes. Built with professionals in mind, Quadsoft is engineered for use on construction sites, capable of perforating through dual layers of drywall up to 1 inch thick. Not only does it deliver flawlessly square or rectangular holes every time, but it also does so at a remarkable speed, 4 times faster than alternative methods. This means significant time and cost savings for you, without compromising on quality. Knee blades, a unique approach to knee protection that prioritizes mobility without sacrificing stability. Unlike traditional knee pads, knee blades feature compact, round pads with built-in roller blades for enhanced maneuverability. In this video, knee blades are showcased for their innovative design, allowing users to swivel a full 360 degrees without lifting off the ground. With just a simple button press, users can easily switch between knee blade mode and traditional knee pad mode. These convenient tools are lightweight, weighing only 3 pounds, 1.3 kilograms each, and securely strap onto the wearer's legs for added comfort and stability. Let's dive into the Bevel and Miter Box from Wolfcraft, a must-have tool for anyone working with baseboards and moldings. This handy device ensures precise accuracy in your cuts. First, it allows you to measure angles from 85 to 180 degrees. Once you've set the angle gauge, simply insert the baseboard and you're ready to make your cuts. Depending on the model, it can accommodate baseboards with maximum heights of either 70 or 100 millimeters, catering to a variety of needs. With prices starting from $36, it's an affordable and invaluable tool for craftsmen of all levels. Introducing Upcart Hero, your trusty sidekick for moving all sorts of stuff, be it laundry baskets, groceries, or even furniture. This cart can tackle it all, with a weight limit of up to 64 kilograms. And the best part, no assembly needed. It's a foldable wonder that comes with a lifetime warranty, a first in this category. Would you be willing to invest $70 in it? Discover the business wisdom of the Tall team with their innovative TT 3-tower lamp. It's more than just a lamp. It's hailed as a beacon of light for the dynamic and adventurous. Such praise is hard to resist, especially considering its price tag of $39. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, it offers adjustable brightness and color temperature, along with a powerful 5200 mAh battery for up to 15 hours of use. Want even more? For just $79, you can snag the lamp with a telescopic stand. As per the sellers of the JessEm Pocket Mill Pro, this tool is hailed as an exceptional solution for carpentry needs, and it's packed with innovation. Here's the lowdown. When used alongside a drill, it effortlessly carves out precise grooves thanks to its patented mechanism that automatically lowers by 1.2 millimeters with each pass. This feature caters to both novices and seasoned pros alike. The only downside? The price tag, which stands at $250.